Hi, I have here two wallet from Kate Spade. This is the Lena wallet. This is the Box Floral Madison bifold wallet. Both of them are bifold, but it has different style. So this one, actually like a small one. You can see it's only 5.6 width, and then the height is 3.6, and then your thickness is 1.2, and then ganun lang siya. See, it has 9 card slot. This is included though, so 9 of them, and then L shape ang coin storage. So pretty much cute wallet. And this one, the other one, is the Madison Floral bifold wallet. Look how cute it is. See, you see the design there. Cute. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I will be using after this video. So this one, the design is different for this. This is have, this one. The other one is just, you can just, close it like this. And the same L-shaped coin storage. I like the zipper. Easy. Same 9 card slot. Here you will put your bills. Oops, you still have this. And yeah, the design though, I like it. I like the design of this one. You can see the logo there. This one, good also, the leather, pebbled leather. Cute.